Hello, we will continue with the COVID-19 symptoms and the severity of the disease. So, in the last video, we had discussed about the mild and moderate disease. Next is the severe disease. And there will be severe pneumonia. In adult and adolescents, there will be clinical signs of pneumonia, that is fever, cough, or dyspnea, or fast breathing. Plus any of the following, that is respiratory rate more than 30 per minute, severe respiratory distress, or saturation SpO2 less than 90% on room air. And for children with clinical signs of pneumonia, that is cough or difficulty in breathing, and at least one of the following, that is central cyanosis, and or saturation less than 90%, severe respiratory distress, that is fast breathing, grunting, or very severe chest indrawing, and also convulsions, unconsciousness, other symptoms like convulsions, unconsciousness, or inability to feed or drink, convulsions. And next is critical disease. Here there are ARDS, sepsis, septic shock. In ARDS, the onset within 1 week of non-clinical insult, that is pneumonia, or new or worsening respiratory symptoms. So within 1 week ARDS can occur. Chest imaging like X-ray, CT scan, or lung ultrasound can be done, and it shows bilateral opacities and not fully explained by the volume overload, and lobar or lung collapse, or nodules. And about the origin of pulmonary infiltrates, respiratory failure not fully explained by cardiac failure or fluid overload. Need objective assessment like echocardiography to exclude hydrostatic causes of infiltrates or edema if no risk factor present. So always we have to rule out the cardiac causes also. And oxygenation impairment in adults will be there. That is in mild ARDS. In ARDS we can classify as mild, moderate and severe. In mild ARDS, the PaO2 by FiO2 will be 200 to 300 millimeter Hg. With PEEP or CPAP more than or equal to 5 centimeter water. And in moderate ARDS, the PaO2 by FiO2 is 100 to 200 millimeter Hg with PEEP more than or equal to 5 centimeter water. And in severe ARDS, the PaO2 by FiO2 is less than or equal to 100 millimeter Hg with PEEP more than or equal to 5 centimeter water. So we have to remember these values. In mild ARDS, PaO2 by FiO2 is 200 to 300 millimeter mercury. And in moderate ARDS, PaO2 by FiO2 is 100 to 200 millimeter mercury. And in severe ARDS, the PaO2 by FiO2 is less than or equal to 100